your weight is at an alarming stage? What would you do? Gym? Diet? Or yoga? Deciding to get in shape and lose weight is easy. The hard part is actually sticking to that commitment. We at Diet Clinic are your friends that will help you to stay focused on your weight loss and fitness goals. Diet Clinic is a unique center. It follows a scientific approach to weight management and disease. With over 10 franchisees and 4 flagship centers all over in India, we provide professionally supervised, effective weight loss and therapeutic diet programs to our clients. Diet Clinic's primary centers located in Gurgaon and Punjabi Bagh in Delhi are an example of well-devised and pristine infrastructure. The foundation of Diet Clinic was laid under the leadership of its proprietor, Dr. Sheila Sehrawat.
As the Mentor Diet Clinic, my aim is to provide healthy weight loss and therapeutic diet program without any lifestyle changes. As I always say to my client, let your diet work for you. My diet plans follow some thumbs rules of no starvation, no mono diets, no strenuous workout and no food supplements. Basically, we are emphasized only on nutritional and balanced diet. Our Diet Clinic provide unique, professionally supervised and effective weight loss and therapeutic diet program to our clients. The Diet Clinic wishes a perfect health and supreme feminism to everyone. Eat healthy, live healthy.
Ms. Sheila Sehrawat has won many awards in the field of diet and nutrition. Her understanding of the program comes from thorough study and in-depth research. A constant motivation, belief, and a positive approach towards having a healthy diet is the key to her success. Diet Clinic services are supported by a team of weight loss specialists. Our mission is to create simple, effective, and nutritionally balanced weight loss and therapeutic diet plan for all the communities. You are under the guidance of an experienced and qualified dietitian all the time, which helps you to build a close relationship with the dietitian who understands you and your body responses. Our diet programs focus on a balanced diet plan inclusive of important nutrients in the right proportion. We allow all the types of foods to be included in your diet, but when and how much is guided by a dietitian, so that you can enjoy the food of your choice as well as lose weight during our programs. For us, it is all about eating right to achieve healthy weight loss.
My name is Praveen Sood. मैं इस डाइट सेंटर में पिछले 7-8 महीने से आ रहा हूँ और अबाउट 14 से लेकर 15 केजी वेट मैंने अपना लूज किया है और जो डाइट मैं ले रहा हूँ डाइट परफेक्ट है। किसी प्रकार की इससे वीकनेस महसूस नहीं हो रही मेरे को और मेरे को बहुत ही अच्छा फील हो रहा है। इस प्रकार की डाइट इन्होंने मेरे को बोली वो बहुत ही बढ़िया रही। इसके खाने के बाद किसी प्रकार की प्रॉब्लम नहीं, बहुत ही बॉडी लाइट महसूस होती है, अपने आप को बहुत ही अच्छा महसूस होता है।
With over 10 years of experience, we have been successful in ensuring complete confidentiality together with excellent patient service and follow-up care at all time. These efforts have been rewarded in various forms as well through articles published in newspaper, blogs, magazines, videos, etc. We have also been recognized as Best Dietitian in Gurgaon and Best Slimming Center in Chandigarh under the category of North India Business Excellence Award Ceremony 2012, awarded by Mr. Shashi Tharoor by Big Brands Research. Diet Clinic's diet plans are personalized which suit individual needs. Our programs are easy to follow. After thorough test through various tools and an understanding of your food habits, lifestyle, medical history, blood group, and other relevant details, a comfortable diet plan is customized to suit your lifestyle.
My name is Ishpreet and I am coming here from past 6 or 8 months, and I'm pretty much satisfied with the results of Diet Clinic because I have lost around 15 kgs and they have changed my lifestyle. Earlier I had many wrong habits like getting up late in the morning and sleeping late in the night, but all this have changed now and I am very happy with these results, and I've enjoyed the diet. I've ate everything that I wanted to and I'm happy with the results.
We recommend brisk walks along with our diet plans to keep the metabolism active, which slows down with lack of physical activity. With diets from Diet Clinic, you can lose 4 to 5 kg in 1 month's time and 2 to 4 kg more every month later, depending on how well you are able to maintain and follow the diet plan suggested. The number of visits needed depends on your goal and commitment to diets. Our success ratio is very high, and hence 75% to 80% of our new clients are referred to us by our former clients who have enjoyed and successfully completed their programs with us. Diet consultations are provided to gyms, corporate and fitness centers also, so that we can reach to maximum people. We also organize health camps, seminars and workshops and provide telephonic and online support 24/7.
Diet Clinic started in 2005 with first outlet at Gurgaon. Today we are a group of 15 clinics covering full North India. Diet Clinic, a team of 40 dietitians working 24/7 to serve our clients. Diet Clinic now offers online, telephonic and clinic visit services. As a quality process, Diet Clinic try to contact their client at least twice in a week to know more about them, their lifestyle, their eating habit, their taste. These information help us in providing better menus for them.
The constant motivation from our dietitians and sustainable changes to your lifestyle results in gradual weight loss and in turn keeps your spirits high and your weight loss goals easily achievable.